Hi guys, so today is I'll be harvesting our calamansi. So I'm gonna get our basket first. Of course, let's go in here. This is everything. I have the basket, then I have my scissor. Then let's go and pick some calamansi. Hello guys, you can see here I have a lot of calamansi. They're ready actually. So there's so much of them. There's actually a small one, but I think they're ready. They're really soft. So let me start on this tree first. So very shiny. I think I'm just gonna harvest them, most of them, except for the small one. I'm not gonna do the small one. Smell really good. Yeah guys, so this is very small, pero there's a lot of calamansi already. So there guys, my husband actually been nagging me to harvest them. I just don't have time yet, but now I do. That's why I'm doing it. So let's move on here. I'm only picking up the softer one. Even they're small, they're already soft. So I'm gonna take them, and after that guys is I'll put them on the freezer because they stay fresh longer, or they don't go bad right away. So I'm just gonna continue. Oops, I clip one that is very young. It's okay, that's only one. So our calamansi is very smooth and shiny. There. Guys, so let me see if I can see some more. There's a softer one. Oh, I missed one here. One more here. Another one. Oh. Okay, I'm moving on to the next calamansi. Dito guys is mag-winter na sa amin, kaya nakikita nyo medyo yellow na yung ating leaves. See? Kaya dapat talaga is ma-harvest na tong mga calamansi before it goes so cold. Get cold here. Ayan na siya guys. Ito oh, sa top niya, pero okay na siya. Here. Ito good for mga ubo-ubo. Ayan. Kaya kayo is magtanim na kayo ng calamansi. Ayan guys. Ang sarap mag-harvest ng sarili mong puno. Diba? Tinanim nyo. And then i-harvest. Ang sarap sa feeling ng may hina-harvest. Oops. I'd go over. Okay guys, I think that's all I'm gonna get for, oh hold on. Sometimes I miss some area. Ayan. Okay, I think that's it guys. So ayan, nakita nyo, super fresh fresh na fresh ang aming calamansi. Fresh from the tree. Show the tree again. And guys, so there's the one and there's another one here. There. So, ayan. Malilit lang siya guys, pero ayan, maraming puno. 2018 guys, we have a big, I think probably 2-3 years ago, we have a big calamansi guys. Tapos, namatay siya because of the frost. That was a very long frost here na we really never experienced all the time. Kaya, sino bang mag-expect? So, ayun, namatay. Ang laki na sana guys ng puno na yun. Dalawa yun, tapos super dami lagi yung bunga. Tapos, yun nga, namatay. Walang magagawa. Nature na talaga yung pumatay doon. Kasi nga is cold. Ayan talaga guys. So, ayan. Ito, namimiss pa. Medyo namimiss pa natin yung area. Hold on, I see one over there. It's a little bit bigger. Okay. Here. Pwede na siyang pagtsagaan. Okay, I think that's it. O, diba? Saan ka pa niyan, guys? Fresh. Fresh na siya. Oh. Hold on. Let me eat this one. I used to eat this. See? When we were a kid, we used to eat calamansi. Mapait yung seeds niya guys. Kaya huwag yung kainin. Pero ang sarap ng fresh. Maasim na medyo a little sweetness. Pero mas nangingibabaw yung asim niya. That's all for today guys. Harvest na naman tayo. Thank you so much.